Welcome, Build Out here. Super excited about this video. And in this video, we talk about project management, the path to success, right? My name is Bill Dow. Today, we're going to tackle a question I get all the time. The question is, how do I get started in the project management industry? How do I get started as a project manager? With over 30 years in the project management space, I've gathered some key insights and tips and tricks that I really want to help you kickstart your career and get you onto the path of being a successful project manager. Before we do that, let's dive in. My name is Bill Dow. If you've not watched any of my videos, I have 30 plus years of hands-on experience in the project management space. Over the last 20 years, I've ran 10 PMOs across 4 different companies. I love this stuff. I'm super passionate about it, super excited about PMOs, project management, program management, portfolio management, you name it. That's what this whole channel is dedicated to. So I'm really excited you're here and listening to today's topic about how to become and what is your path to be a successful project manager. So thanks for watching. So the path to becoming a good project manager, right? The term good is relative, right? My good and your good may be different, but again, there's some fundamental and foundational things that you need to do as a project manager, and I'm going to walk you through those now. So number 1 is, how do I be a continuous learner? Project management's not easy, right? You have to keep up to date. You have to keep learning. Taking classes, reading books, watching webinars, staying up on the current trends and technologies are critical. Becoming a lifelong learner, we hear that all the time. This is critical for project managers as well. Number 2, get a mentor, get a coach. Find a mentor or someone who you can bounce ideas off of. Having a trusted advisor can help you navigate through some very tough areas of your projects. I've had 2 very close friends who have been mentors and sounding boards for me for years and years, and I strongly suggest you get those set up for you as well. Number 3, join project management groups and associations. Spend time. Learn from other practitioners, right? They're in the trenches now alongside you, and you can learn from others because they're making the same mistakes. They're having the same successes. So join groups, join associations, and connect yourself. Number 4, understand the art and science of project management. I can't stress how important this is. Relationships, influence without authority are huge parts of running successful projects, as well as risk logs, issue logs, decision logs, right? Schedules. Art and science is critical. That's number 4. Number 5, lead without authority. You're often going to be in a position where you're driving project teams and you have no direct authority over those project teams. You're going to have to learn how to motivate them and guide them through, right? There's a term, influence without authority. There's a great book on that. You're going to want to go check that out. You're going to want to learn how to lead without authority. I'm going to pause for a second and I want to ask you a quick question. Which of these tips so far do you find the most challenging to implement in your role as a project manager? And I've got more to come, but so far, which of the tips have you found to be most challenging? Let me know in the comments below. Comment below, let me know, and let's keep going. Number 6, get certified. Becoming a SME in your area is critical. Get your PMP, get your PGMP, get your risk management certification, get your Agile certification. Just get certified. It's critical, and it'll give you that step up and will help you understand that role just a little bit better. Number 7, master communications. Communications is key. We say 90% of a project manager's job is communicating. I can't stress that enough. You'll spend most of your days ensuring clear, concise, and effective communications. That's just something you're going to want to make sure you get good at. Number 8, consider contracting and vendor roles. In IT, for example, project managers are often more valued as vendors or contractors than they are as employees, which is crazy, but I've seen that before. So this could be a route to get you up and running in the project manager role. Just become a vendor, to become a contractor. Number 9, learn about the business. Project managers are much more valuable when they understand the business of the projects they're supporting, right? Don't become a checkbox project manager. Dive in, understand the business that you're driving. Number 10, learn from failure. Projects fail. It happens all the time. Don't take it personally. Each failure has a learning opportunity. Use that learning opportunity and adjust your project accordingly. Mistakes happen. We get it. Just learn from those mistakes and move on. It won't be your first or last project. Number 11, collect lessons learned throughout the life of the project. Don't wait till the end. Collecting the lessons learned at the end is a lost cause. Collect it throughout the life of the project and then do the course correction. You're never going to use that information on another project. We say we do. I've been in the industry for 30 years. We never do. Use it as a course correction only and then move on. Number 12, embrace the role. This is one of the best jobs you'll ever have in the world. Project manager, embrace it, dive into it, learn as much as you can about it, and have fun. It's a great, great job. And then finally, number 13, develop emotional intelligence. I can't stress enough to be able to read and manage your own emotions, and those of your team members are critical. High emotional intelligence will help you resolve conflicts, build stronger relationships, and create a positive work environment. I love this. So to summarize, these are the 13 steps that I think will help you set you on a path to becoming a successful project manager. Remember, it's a journey. It's a marathon. It's not a sprint. Continuous improvement, continuous learning is key. Embrace it. Seek a mentor, seek a coach, and reach out if you ever need help. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like these types of videos, let me know. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, comment below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you online. Thanks.